Here I run. Yeah, I know. Daily uploads. Surprisingly, I don't know what's gonna go. Just what the? You know, I don't care. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna go on, but it's just more game of stuff. And although I guess every game of challenge, since I'm not going through that stupid verification of progress on YouTube again, I'm too lazy for that. But yeah, it's like random game. I'm planning to turn to an actual real game. Yeah, here's some rails that I definitely made myself enough from a tutorial. Yeah, last move on. Look, you can throw his box at this guy. He doesn't attack you. He's gonna be an enemy. I'm gonna try to add pathfind him soon. Yeah, just kill him. So yeah, that is like a like game. Yeah, I'm actually going to restart. How do you restart the game without like showing the editors? So no, I didn't compile with this game. Anyone who thinks I did, no, I didn't compile with them. I actually don't. Okay, there you go. Sorry for the bad view. I just subbed so it showed the playback. Yeah. Yeah. So this is enemy contact. I'm gonna throw this box. And no, I won't be doing a tutorial on how to make this because, to be honest, I probably ain't the person who's going to teach you how to do that, since I didn't know how to do this myself until mainly today. Push them off the edge. Yeah. So yeah, but I can teach you how to do that baked line from like the other video. It's pretty easy to do baked line. So like speaking of tutorials, who knows if I'm going to make a tutorial on baked line. I definitely know how to do it because of how easy it is. So yeah. Oh well. That's our Stickman game. While I'm at make then, yeah, go play Flatlands. Check out my itch.io page. It has that like baked line thing I put there. I put it up like yesterday. It's actually I put it up there as soon as I upload the video. So you guys can go and play that if you want to see the immersive experience for yourself. Because you know you YouTube compression and that stuff, so you can't see it in high. So you can see it in higher detail in style. I mean, it might not be like best quality like this in the editors. It's exporting stuff. Oh, and also, yeah, it's actually you can play it in the web. Yeah, it's actually the first time I've actually exported the web. Yeah, also check out my other Madness Combat channel where I just do Madness Combat animations right there. Yeah, all of those are gonna be in the description. Oh. Yeah, I forgot. I almost forgot. I should have said this at the beginning of the video. Subscribe. Alright. Peace out. And bye.